Today we are going to install Ferret in Ubuntu 16, a 64-bit machine. First we have to download the software. Just type in Google that Ferret Noah. Mention Noah, otherwise different result will come as Ferret is animal, whatever. Now click download and go to the Linux page, and here we will download the 64-bit version as my machine is 64-bit. There is 3 files to download: the Ferret executables, Ferret environment, and Ferret datasets. We will download 3 of them one by one. Sorry, net is a little bit slow today. Now we have completed the download part, and we will proceed to installation part. To install, we change our directory to user local Ferret. Here we will make a directory named Ferret. In that we will install the software. As it's a root directory, we have to use sudo. Then we are changing to that Ferret directory, and we will see the present working directory. Here is a user local Ferret. Now we will unzip the previously downloaded files. First of all, we will unzip the Ferret environment in the Ferret directory. The unzip is done. Now we will make a directory called Ferret dsets for the Ferret datasets. We are changing to that directory. Now we have to unzip the Ferret datasets zip file what we have downloaded before, and that is saved in downloads folder. Now we have to install Ferret, that is in a Ferret bin directory. Now here is 3 options: install executables. First we will press 1 to install. Now we have to give the path of the installation, that is user local Ferret. Now we have to prepare the path of the executable files. As the tab does not work in Ferret installation environment, we are just copying it. So here we are entering where the executable file is. Now Ferret is being installed. Now we have to give the path of the installation directory, that is user local Ferret, as the installation screen is asking. Now we have to give the path of the Ferret datasets. We have created the directory in Ferret folder, that Ferret datasets we created it before. Now we have to give the path of the directory where we want to place the Ferret path for the path fix. Now here we entered yes and exited. So our installation is complete. Now we have to source the Ferret path to run Ferret in a terminal. Here we are sourcing that Ferret path. Now if I source that path in here, only that terminal, if you type Ferret will run, but if we open a new terminal and type ferret, it will not run. And see that the sudo installation, sudo apt install ferret, we can download, you can install it using that command, but that ferret doesn't work actually, so we have to, that's why I have to install it manually. So we have to add the path that on what we have sourced to the basrc file, so that it will be available in any terminal. So we are just editing basrc file. I am using here nano editor. You can use any editor you want. At the bottom of the file we are adding the path. This has and things, these are for just for visualization purpose. So important command is that source user local, then ferret, then ferret paths, and we just adding some hash sign to look it beautiful. Now we'll save it. Now we have to source that basrc, then ferret will come, because when you start a terminal, that basrc is being sourced, but now we added this one later. Now we'll open another terminal and we will check whether this is working or not. So we type ferret and it's working fine. So we have fixed the path, so everything is completed. Now ferret is easy to use, good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment and share, so that nobody have to struggle with installing ferret. Cheers.